So hey there, Adapulse family, it's Josh from ATM Stake Pool and welcome back to the channel. For those that are new here, Adapulse is a crypto news channel funded by the Cardano community through Project Catalyst. Now today we're diving into an exciting topic that's taken the crypto world by storm, and that is DeFi, or Decentralized Finance. So we'll explore what DeFi is, why it's a game changer, and how it allows your money to become like its own boss. So, right, decentralized finance, or DeFi, is one of the hottest trends in the blockchain space, like right now, and for good reason. It takes the power away from traditional banks and institutions, putting it back into the hands of the individual. So whether you're new to crypto or looking to explore how to grow your money in a decentralized way, this video will give you the foundation you need. And remember, if you're holding ADA, don't forget to stake it with ATM Stake Pool. But anyway, enough of that. Let's crack on with this. So what is DeFi? DeFi, as I said earlier, short for decentralized finance, refers to financial services that are built on top of blockchain networks, especially typically, using smart contracts. So unlike traditional finance, or TradFi as they call it, where, you need banks, brokers and financial institutions and they control everything. DeFi operates without intermediaries, meaning anyone with like an internet connection can access financial services like borrowing, lending, or trading directly. Now, imagine being able to take out a loan, earn interest, or trade assets without needing a bank's approval. That's what DeFi offers. So a more open, transparent, and permissionless, which is an important word, financial system. And the best part, you're in control of your own assets, throughout the whole process. How does DeFi work? DeFi is typically running on smart contracts, which are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into code. So these smart contracts are deployed on blockchain networks like Cardano and Ethereum, where they handle everything like automatically. So whether it's facilitating a loan, managing a trade, or like providing liquidity. Now, when you interact with a DeFi application, or dApp as they're known, your transactions are processed by the blockchain, eliminating the need for a middleman. So take this example. Let's say you want to lend out some of your crypto. You deposit it into a DeFi protocol, which then makes your funds available to borrowers. Smart contracts handle everything from calculating interest to ensuring the borrower's collateral is safe. Key DeFi services. Now, there are several key services that DeFi offers, which make it, kind of so powerful. So first up, we have lending and borrowing. So in traditional finance, getting a loan involves paperwork, credit checks, and approval from a bank. In DeFi, you can lend or borrow crypto directly through a decentralized platform without needing permission from anyone at all. Next, you've got decentralized trading. So with DeFi, you can trade your crypto directly with others using decentralized exchanges, or DEXs as they're known. So like Cardano's MinSwap, for example, that we did a video on before. Now, these exchanges don't rely on a central authority to manage trades. Instead, smart contracts facilitate them directly between users. And then finally, you have yield farming and staking. So in DeFi, you can earn passive income by providing liquidity to the system or staking your crypto in smart contracts to support the network. Or even, to a stake pool. But this allows you to earn rewards without needing to do much other than like holding your assets, essentially. Why is DeFi a game changer? Now, DeFi is a game changer for a few key reasons. So first, it's open to everyone. So as long as you have an internet connection, you can have access to DeFi services. There are no barriers based on location, income, or credit score. And this levels the playing field for people who don't have access to like traditional banking. Second, DeFi offers transparency. All transactions are recorded on the blockchain, meaning anyone can audit and verify the code. And this reduces the risk of corruption or unfair practices that are sort of common in traditional finance. But lastly, DeFi is non-custodial, meaning you remain in control of your funds at all times. Like with traditional banks, you have to trust them to hold and manage your money. But in DeFi, you're the one holding the keys to your wallet. Getting started with DeFi. So, ready to dive into DeFi? Getting started is actually easier than you think. I mean, first you need a decentralized wallet that supports DeFi, like Nami, Yoroi, Eternal, whatever. And you can then connect your wallet to a DeFi platform, or DApp as they're known. On Cardano, platforms like MinSwap, SundaySwap, and ATM Finance, JPEG Store as well, all offer a variety of DeFi services. Now, once your wallet's connected, you can start exploring the DeFi opportunities. So whether that's lending, borrowing, providing liquidity, or trading, like with NFTs as well. But always do your research and understand the risks involved before you dive in. DeFi can be highly rewarding, but it's important to know like how the protocols work and the potential risks involved. DeFi risks and how to stay safe. So speaking of risks, let's talk about how to stay safe in DeFi. So while DeFi offers a lot of benefits, there are also risks like smart contract vulnerabilities, impermanent loss, and rug pulls as well. These are the downsides of operating in a decentralized, permissionless environment. So to protect yourself, always use well-established platforms that have undergone audits and the community is well aware of. Be wary of projects that promise you ridiculously high returns, because if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. But also never invest more than you're willing to lose, and consider diversifying your investments, across like different platforms. The future of DeFi on Cardano. Now, the future of DeFi on Cardano looks incredibly bright. With smart contracts fully operational, more DeFi projects are launching on the Cardano blockchain every day. Platforms like MinSwap and ADA are already like making like waves. And as the ecosystem grows, Cardano is poised to become a major player in the DeFi space. Now, Cardano's focus on security and scalability make it an ideal environment for DeFi to like thrive. And the community-driven nature of its governance ensures that innovation is always aligned with the user's needs. So if you're into DeFi, Cardano is definitely a blockchain to keep your eyes on. Conclusion. And that's a beginner's guide to decentralized finance. As you can see, DeFi is transforming how we interact with money, giving individuals more power and control over their finances. Now, if you found this helpful, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to Adapulse for more crypto updates, brought to you by the Cardano community through Project Catalyst. And of course, don't forget to stake your ADA with ATM Stake Pool to earn rewards while supporting decentralization. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.